What's happening guys? Thank you so much for joining us once again. मेरा नाम है हर्ष और आज हम करने जा रहे हैं रिव्यू परम सुंदरी का, डायरेक्टेड बाय तुषार जलोटा, स्टारिंग सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा and Janhvi Kapoor. And this is a romantic comedy, very light-hearted, but it obviously has the similar tropes, if you guys have already seen the trailers, of North meets South and the two different worlds coming together. This is a romantic story between two different worlds within India itself. And ये हमने इतने iterations and इतनी अलग stories में देख लिया है in some shape or form that there is a almost like a framework that we have for these kind of romantic comedies. Whether आप चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस देख लो या फिर one movie that I really thought did this really well was Two States, उसको देख लो. But there are some generic cliches and some tropes that are used very commonly here because cultural differences हैं हमारे country में इतने ज़्यादा, and this movie plays that up to a level. So going into the movie, please do ensure that you are keeping your mind at home. This is a very light-hearted romantic comedy. हर चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा सेंस नहीं बनाएगी, but I think this movie still manages to do the basics right. Plot of the movie काफी simple है. A North Indian boy meets a South Indian girl, and this is obviously a trope that we've seen a lot of time. But इसमें थोड़ा सा AI and application and tech investor का angle डाल दिए movie के plot में to kind of bring things up to speed as to where we are. इतना ज़्यादा AI की बात हो रही है, so यहाँ पे भी our main hero is an investor in an AI application that helps people find their soulmates. इसी application का proof of concept के लिए he tries finding his own soulmate, which leads him to Janhvi Kapoor, and then sparks fly. The movie is a very light-hearted comedy and it does a good job at kind of keeping the momentum up, but कहीं पे भी आपको ऐसा नहीं लगेगा that it is bringing something fresh, it is bringing a new perspective to the story. Anything that this movie does, you have already seen done in some movie or the other, and in a little likeliness may be done better than what this movie does. So I would not call this a bad movie. इसमें जो actors थे वो भी they were, I would not say they were really good performances, but they were all right. सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा in fact I felt was a little plastic at times, but अगर जानवी कपूर की acting की बात मैं करूँ तो I thought she was actually quite good in her role. Even the dubbing, उनकी जो accent वगैरह that she was trying to pick up from South India was actually done quite well. But all the characters that you see and all the complexity and the layers behind them is all plastic here. That is I think the biggest fundamental flaw of this movie. आपके कोई भी characters बहुत deeply fleshed out नहीं है because they're also humorous, they're also just over the surface characters that उनको बहुत ज़्यादा in depth या in you know a lot of detail explore किया ही नहीं गया है, which is why I think the movie has not a very great impact at any point. At no point do you feel very emotional stakes or at no point do you feel very happy or jolly with the romance as well. Everything मतलब चल रहा है एक okay, it's not bad but it's just going at a baseline कि ठीक है, it's doing all the basics right, and if that is something that you're looking for, you just want to kind of leave your brain back at home and just go and watch something very light-hearted, something you can maybe go out with your family for or go out with your partner for, then maybe this movie makes sense to watch in the theaters. But otherwise I would maybe recommend that you wait for it. दोनों characters की on-screen chemistry भी in some shape or form because of the plasticness does not come out really well. जिस तरीके से हमने काफी recently अभी romantic movies को flesh out होते हुए देखा है अपने characters के साथ, whether that was in धड़क or even Saiyara for that matter, this movie is definitely not able to touch that level of emotion because ये बहुत एक light-hearted tone को पकड़ती है and it carries that across and it relies on a lot of these generic cliches and tropes that I was talking about जो North India meets South India में होता ही है because of cultural differences, language barriers, all of that. So all of that is in the movie. In no shape or form am I calling this a bad movie because this movie does some things right. There are some light-hearted humor moments that also land well. But all in all, this is something as a story or as you know how the plot also kind of progresses that you have in some shape or form seen before. So I would not call it like the most refreshing watch. This will kind of become one of those generic rom-com movies that maybe you can put on a Sunday and just kind of have it playing in the background while you go around in your house doing your own thing. But क्या आपको theaters में इसको देखना चाहिए? Again, like I said, maybe wait for it to come out on OTTs. Overall, to conclude, मैं ये कहूँगा that this movie again is not bad. If it is maybe a one-time watch. Again, if you are a very big fan of the genre in itself, romantic comedies are your thing, and you want a very light-hearted watch, maybe you can definitely check it out in the theaters. But अगर आपको कुछ solid मस्ती वाला माल चाहिए, तो ये वो movie नहीं है. This is not going to make your emotions run wild. This is not going to make you miss the love and the chemistry between the pair. So maybe use your money and your time a little more judiciously and maybe watch this once it's out in OTT. अगर आपने movie देख ली है, let us know in the comments below what you thought about it. Like, share and subscribe guys. As always, I will be back with more and I'll see you in the next one.
Bounce up on a Tuesday night. Straight lights hung like a neon light. Got a story but I'll keep it tight. Not so harsh, not so bright.